Hello my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. So in the previous class we were discussing about the topic of manipulating the selections. In that we have already studied about how to move an image to the other location and how to copy and paste it. Now let us move to the third point, that is flipping and rotating. So first of all, let us understand what is flipping. Flipping means creating or making a mirror image of the selected portion of an image. While rotating means rotating an image to any angle. You can rotate an image to 180 degree, 90 degree, 360 degree. Okay, so flipping it means creating a mirror image, while rotating it means rotating an image to any angle, to any degree. Now let us see the steps to flip or rotate a portion of your image that are listed below. First, you have to open an existing image, as already explained earlier. After that, you have to select the portion of your image which you want to flip or rotate by using a selection tool. Third point is to select a transform option which is available in the edit menu. Now to flip the selection, you have to choose flip horizontal or flip vertical option. And to rotate the selection, you have to choose rotate, rotate 180 degree, rotate 90 degree CW or rotate 90 degree CCW option. Okay, so you want to flip an image vertically or horizontally, that you have to select. And if you want to rotate that image, you have to select the option that how much degree and anti-clockwise or clockwise you want to rotate it. So here you can see that the image is flipped. So here the first image, that is figure 8.11, will show you that flipping an image. So here the image is flipped. And now the second image will show you how to rotate an image. So this image is rotated on the right hand side. Okay, so this is how you can see that the first image, the cat face is on the left hand side, but after rotating it, the cat face becomes on the right hand side. It means the image is flipped and it is rotated. Now the next and the last point is cropping an image. What is cropping? Cropping, it means to cut some of the portion of an image from the entire image. If you want only some portion, some particular portion, then you can crop it and the other portion will get deleted. The crop tool enables you to crop the image. What is the meaning of cropping? Cropping means deleting the pixels outside the selected boundary. Only the portion of an image which you have selected will get cropped, and rest of the pixels or rest of the image that is outside that boundary, outside that selection, will get deleted. Now follow the steps given below to crop the image. First, open an existing image as explained earlier. After that, you have to click on the crop tool. Now click and drag to select the portion of the image which you want to crop. Double click inside the cropping boundary or press the enter key. So if you will follow these 4 steps, your image will get cropped. So here you can see the first image, the entire tiger image is visible. But using a crop tool, the person have cropped only this portion of an image and press the enter key. And here you can see only the face of the tiger is being cropped. Okay, so this is how you can crop or cut an image. So with this we are finishing our chapter here. Let us move towards the keyword. The first keyword is cropping. Cropping, it means deleting the pixels which is outside the selected boundary. Flipping, it means making a mirror image of the selected portion. Then pixels, tiny solid color squares that make an image. Then resolution, it means number of pixels per unit area. So these keywords you have to write in your computer notebook. Then the exercise number A, exercise number B, exercise C and exercise D you have to write in your computer textbook, while exercise E and F you have to write in your computer notebook. Again I repeat, the keywords exercise E and exercise F you have to write in your computer notebook, and exercise A, B, C and D you have to write in your computer textbook. Okay, so with this we are finishing our class today. We We'll meet again in our next session with a new chapter. For now, bye bye. Have a great day ahead.